Okay, in this video I have another piece of field gear for you here. This is a type of coffee pot, a percolator pot you can get at Walmart. This is an Ozark Trails stainless steel 12 cup coffee pot. You have, as part of this, obviously the pot itself, an attached lid, and the percolator assembly inside. Capacity 12 cups. I've been trying this out on a gas stove. Works pretty good. My only issue with it that I have is the handle here. The handle's just pinned in. It's very thin and it gets extremely warm. You're going to need a glove or a pot holder when you grab it by the handle. This has a bail over the top so you can hang it over the top of a campfire using a piece of chain or a hook or something. It's not bad. The max capacity for the water is right here and it is marked so that you don't overfill it. If you use this for just heating water for doing some tea or putting in freeze-dried meals, obviously you don't need the percolator equipment on the inside when you do it that way. If you're using this for coffee, just like with the older percolators, put your coffee grounds inside there, cap on, lift up the bail, heat it up. When the water's in here, it's perking to your coffee grounds. You'll see it up in here. You'll see little bubbles coming up in here. You'll see it shooting up like a little geyser once in a while. And that's when it gets dark enough, your coffee's ready. Cost of this is under $20. At least it was at the store I got it from. It's not bad. It's better than the other one that I have on hand. So this one is going to be going into my unit stock. Consideration for your use in the field, either camping with your mess team or whatever you're doing. Now, for all my engineer brothers and the Patriot Militia movements, always remember, essay ons.